All-Star Weekend has racked up nearly 20 million YouTube views and sharing the stage with Selena Gomez and Justin Bieber. Tonight, we're lucky enough to have them all in the studio with us. All-Star Weekend, what's up, guys?
Yo!
Hello. Coming out.
How are you guys?
Relaxing. We're doing good. How you doing?
Life is good. So,
Yeah.
First up, where are you guys from? You guys are from an interesting place, right? Poway.
Yeah, Poway.
It's very interesting. It's just a suburb.
It's a suburb.
Many people-
There's horses in Poway. Blink-182 is from Poway. That's pretty much our claim to
Oh,
fame.
wow. I didn't know
Yeah.
that. And the title, it's the city and the country, right?
That's
like
If
the
you
city.
say so,
research,
if you
yes.
say so,
No,
yeah.
that's what it is. For
Might
sure.
as well be. It should. It is.
It
Actually,
is. That's
yeah.
actually the name
That's it.
on the.
Now, you guys actually got together in high school, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
And how did that come about? Because most people, in high school, you're still trying to figure out what you're doing with your life and all that. And
Well, yeah, I mean, we were definitely still trying to figure out what we were doing with our lives.
We're still
but
trying to figure that out. Actually,
Yeah, we don't really know.
what's going on.
May
But,
never know.
We met in 7th grade in middle school.
Okay.
Yeah, we were just paintballing and being kids. I used to watch girls follow this kid around all the time, Mr. Cool over here.
You'd think when you join a band, things would get better for you with girls. But I had it much better in high school. I definitely peaked around
Like 11th
10th
grade.
11th grade.
Yeah.
Everything's gone downhill.
Man,
from
he
here.
was cool though.
Then they met me and I kind of showed them the way
That's
how to
the
get like
world,
older
yeah.
women and
Yeah.
just
it's wearing all black, right?
Yep. that's
Michael
what
actually
they
taught
do.
me how to tie my shoes.
That's incredible.
Yeah, I owe him forever.
All
for that.
Velcro before then?
Yep, Velcro. Reeboks.
You got it.
Yeah.
Now, let's talk about the band name, because you guys started off as named, what was the original band name you guys
Outer
had?
Space Politicians.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
That was the original name.
We were gonna go by
All-Star first.
And we were gonna go by Lord of the Rings, but that one was already taken.
already
so,
taken.
yeah.
You might get sued
So
for that.
All-Star Weekend was just next.
Okay, because it was All-Star at first, you said.
Yes, it was
Yeah.
All-Star.
And then you had to add the weekend. Why?
Legal,
why'd you add
legal
that?
issues.
Legal issues?
You
Yeah.
know.
We
Also-
didn't. I mean, maybe we never would have gotten sued for it, but we just thought maybe because Chuck Taylor's that they might. I don't know. I just don't. I'm really afraid of getting
And
sued
now
for
the
anything.
NBA also.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I was going to say. Do you guys
Keep
go to
getting
like the All-Star Weekend and perform there from baseball to
No,
basketball?
but actually, the NHL, which bummed me out because I'm a huge hockey fan, they sent us a cease and desist letter. Because, it was crazy, right? I know, because for a while there, we came up on Google before that for the All-Star Weekend.
That's
I
awesome.
was pretty stoked about
Super
that.
into sports right here.
But yeah, I'm a big.
So what's your favorite sports team?
I'm not in sports.
No.
He does watch hockey though.
I do like
He does watch hockey.
I like hockey.
You like
Yeah.
hockey? Well,
Do I look like I'm into sports?
Totally. Absolutely. Now, let's talk about the record label. So you guys were originally with Hollywood Records.
Yeah.
And recently you left. What were the reasons for you guys leaving them?
Well, it was very just the camera take away.
Go for it, Michael. Yeah, no, Hollywood was great to us. We loved Hollywood. We just had a different vision for the music. It was, I mean, when we got signed to Hollywood Records, we were like 17,
Yeah.
18, and now we're 22, 23, and the music's
Pop
changed.
bottles of champagne
Yeah.
at the
Yes.
club.
And they're not really
Yeah.
into that type
Yeah,
of music.
no, no.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, you know, just things change, but I mean, there's no bad blood between us and Hollywood. It was a...
How tough is it trying to make that transition from going from like a Hollywood Records and Disney Radio and things like that to now a more mature sound and music and growing, because you guys obviously grow and evolve. How has it been actually getting the fans to kind of go along with you?
I think it wasn't that hard because our fans and we knew the whole time that we were growing up, and we kind of made this music and started to grow into this music that we've always wanted to make. So it wasn't that difficult when we actually had to go from having a record label to not having a record label, because we did everything on our own as well. So
The thing I've noticed is a lot of our fans, when we were on Hollywood, were younger, and now they're in college. Like, they all just kind of grew up, just like us. So it was easy for us. I could see it being hard for someone else, but we got lucky, I guess.
Yeah, we were blessed with a very dedicated fan base.
Absolutely. And you guys have a new album about to come out soon, right?
Yes, we're recording
soon.
it right
I'm
now.
not sure when it's coming out. It's not done yet. We're coming back to Nashville.
2013,
2013.
maybe
Yeah.
14.
Maybe
15.
14.
You guys don't have much time because I saw your touring schedule. It's insane.
Yeah.
Yep.
What tours do you have coming up? First, I saw something big in the summer, the Warped Tour.
Yes,
Yeah,
we are on a
we're
Warped
summer.
Tour. It's going to be pretty
It's a
awesome.
lot
I
of
mean,
days.
we've been going to Warped Tour since we were little niños.
I've been wanting
you know
to
what
play
I mean?
there since we've been going.
Yeah,
There's
actually,
a lot of-
I've wanted to. I actually didn't know I wanted to play there when I was going to Warped Tour, but now I do. It's going to be epic.
Yeah, it's gonna be a lot.
Yeah,
of
I like Vans. Vans are
Yeah,
cool.
Bands are cool. Girls are also cool.
Yeah,
They'll
it's going to be hot. Girls are going to be there. Probably not. I mean,
Yeah.
hot.
And we're doing
I don't know what
we're
I'm
doing
saying
a
at this
headline
point.
tour this January and February, so that would be cool too. It'll be cool because we're gonna do we'll do Warped in the summer. It'll be crazy and hot and ridiculous,
Hot.
and then we'll get to do a cool little headline tour for our fans.
That's a reverse order you
winter.
did there. That's
Yeah,
Yeah,
no, it's actually winter before summer.
Winter first,
But,
and then more
Oh,
tour.
wow.
yeah.
Nice.
Eventually, the winter will come after summer, and maybe we'll be touring then too.
Now, you guys have toured with some pretty big names and stuff. Any crazy stories or crazy past tour experiences?
Cameron said that I danced with Justin Bieber.
He did.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I actually
pretty
have
intense.
footage of it, and the world won't see it for Michael's sake.
So who was the better dancer?
Not Justin Bieber.
I'm not going to say any names, but
Yeah.
that's my nickname, Justin
Yeah,
Bieber.
yeah.
Is it?
That's what
So
it
you
is.
two were really dancing.
Michael actually
then.
makes all girls call him Justin Bieber behind closed doors. It's like
So,
it's his thing.
Yeah, you can't be mad at that. So, what do you do to prepare for a big tour like the Warped Tour coming up this summer?
You know, a lot of it's kind of like getting ready to go into hibernation. You eat a lot of food, and then you go on do a lot of running. Zach actually just went on his first run of the.
Well, hold
So it's very athletic,
on.
right?
Let's think about this. If you're in hibernation, why would you be running? You'd be
Well,
asleep.
we're getting ready for hibernation. 'Cause you gotta get fit for tour. I mean, yeah, it's
I don't think
crazy.
you're getting fit when you're asleep. You're just
I'm saying
unconscious.
like you're getting ready for it. Like tour will be the sleep.
You just
You
burn
guys
off
will
the
be
fat
good.
from
You guys will be good.
A lot of practice, a lot of
Lots
Yeah.
of practice.
I'm serious.
Thank you
I'm
guys.
serious now, yeah.
Thank you guys. I really appreciate you sitting in with us. Don't miss their performance of the American Dream next. But first, we've been in Las Vegas all week with Monster and the CES show.